This is Manan Lakhani. I have 6 years of experience in retail industry, and recently I thought about doing a PMP course just to get the PDUs and prepare for the exams. That's when I came across ProThoughts, and looking at the reviews, I decided to join that, and the support team as well was very like upfront, and they were very honest about everything. And it was a 4 day setup where you have to come 9 hours for 4 days. And we were trained by Mr. Saurabh Parikh, who is an industry stalwart and has been in project management and associated with PMI since more than like 15 years. So overall, the way he was teaching, it was very practical oriented with lots of examples from his personal life. So if you're just thinking to like give a PMP exam, ProThoughts is definitely the way to go.